What's up, guys? Back in the shop now. Have a little bit of news. First of all, picked up some parts today. Show you guys what we got. Alright. Picked up the air filter for the TTR. Maxima ready filter, ready to put it in, literally. Grab some suspension clean and some MPPL. I go through this stuff like crazy. What else we get? Chain and sprockets for the TTR. So I'll keep us busy on that for a while. Tried to start it the other day and it was kind of hard to start again. So may have to look through the carb on it again. Maybe do some more cleaning. All this stuff ready to go. Also, picked up a new project build I wanted to tell you guys about. Been kind of toying with the idea of doing a project like this for a while. Basically, guys, I want to do some trail riding this year. I have a good setup for that. I have my three KX250 two-strokes, obviously, which are, I'm gonna build this one into a trail machine. Oversized tank, all the guards and all that stuff. Krista wants to ride some trails after the baby gets here, and her bikes are this 14 250F, which has a bunch of Pro Circuit stuff on it. Blake Baggett's head, Dean Wilson's cylinder, and one of Cincerillo's old engine cases. And we really don't want to put time on all that stuff. Her other bike is this 250L, which will be great for ADV and roads and stuff, back roads, but won't be so good for trails. So ended up picking up this baby. 2008 maybe. I'll have to check on the year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2006. 2006 CRF 230F. Got the 18-inch rear wheel, 21-inch front. Gonna build it, guys. Let me give you a better view. There you go. Yeah, so just basically feel like this is gonna be the perfect bike for Krista to ride trails. Maybe something that when I'm riding around the house here, I can have a guest or something hop on and they can't really tear it up or get too out of whack on it themselves. Electric start, air cooled. Of course, still has the disc brakes on the front and everything. Pretty bulletproof. I got a steal on this, guys. Picked this up for $500, which is really good. The only part that sucks is it needs a tank. You can see that putty there around the petcock. It needs a fuel tank and an exhaust, which combined are several $100s. So we're gonna do that and hopefully do a pretty sweet build on it, man. We'll be doing plastics, graphics. Needs a chain and sprocket. Battery's good, but some of the wiring's getting sketchy, so I'm gonna fix that. It'll be a cool project build. No hurry. She won't be able to ride until probably middle of the summer at least anyway, so we're just going to kind of tinker around with this and maybe have it in nice shape by the fall or something. So super excited about this build. Besides that, I got my 450s here that I need to get washed and from this weekend and prepped. My practice bike is here, the one with that the steering stems went out on. So I'm going to take it apart today, hopefully, and see if it's just a loose stem or shot bearings. So we'll find that out today. Besides that, just keep trucking on the 2010 CRF over there. We gotta do a top end and stuff on the motor bench, and it's just never ending, guys. Still haven't got the battery in the DR yet. It's but we're just gonna turn on the podcast and keep trucking. Stick with me. Thanks for watching, fellas.